to mix Bobbex concentrates for dormant season application. The first step in using any Bobbex concentrate is to shake well. For application during winter and dormant periods, Bobbex concentrate should be mixed at a ratio of 5 parts water to 1 part Bobbex. To make 1 gallon, first add 21 ounces of concentrate, a little over 2 1/2 cups, and then fill with water to the 1 gallon mark. Thoroughly shake the diluted mixture and then apply as instructed. It is important to use any diluted Bobbex within 5 days of mixing. Any diluted mixture not used after 5 days should be discarded. Any remaining Bobbex concentrate that has not been diluted should be stored in a cool, dark place. Bobbex, helping plants survive and thrive.